Yo, I know say Elrico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging plan.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing great. Hope you all doing well. So, wanna know what to do, you know? Like, comment and share, and if you are new, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. When you do subscribe, you already know, just turn on the notification bell. Put it on all. Yes, sir. So that when we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Ads are placed on the video them, so you wanna viewers, please watch them out for me now. Manners and thanks are doing. So you remember the road that we show you at the time when the people are demonstrating in Trinityville about the dust. I remember we showing it when it aisle and sand. Now is the time to show us it asphalt paving. Asphalt right now, viewers and subscribers. You get what I say? So we said just continue watch the video, you know, because you know we are missing details, man, you know. So you know we are going to work details, showing a little joining and all them little thing they whited and them team up put on. You get what I say, viewers? So we say what? I not Trinityville this, you know. So we say asphalt paving continue, you know, they might bring the asphalt paving up more in the district as we done telling already. It's top a blue diamond. You understand me? I say, I remember we showing this road and it has Sana Island, you know, and we say it go right to the station, you know, so now is the time for it, for the asphalt being put on it. You get what I say, viewers? So that them and in team, you know, Rasta, Shower Pinchers, the whole works, you know, Winston and the crew, you know, and that them are the right now, you know, so viewers, you know, just stay tuned, you know, and continue watch the video, you know, a lot more for you to see, you know, manners and respect, you know. So viewers and subscribers, as you all can see, everything a line up, truck a line up, a dump out in the paving machine to kick off the work on the way. You get what I say, viewers? So as you don't know we are detail, man, and we are going at some details, we can see what go on. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah, man, I remember we are in Trinityville, St. Thomas, in the middle park at Trinityville, the middle part is cars, you know, below the station right there, so. Yeah, with the right at the container, the wholesale, right? That's how we there, you know, viewers and subscribers. That's how they must start it off. You get what I say? Yeah, man, I'm going to head to run a broke down. You understand? So, just continue watch the video, you know, because I want a lot more for you to see, you know. Yeah, man, big up on yourself to each and every one. So, just do the do, no?
Stand up, man.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, family subs, all can say asphalt paving kick off. Asphalt in a come out of the machine, so kick it off right now. You get what I say, viewers? Yes, man. So the team on his way now with the work in Trinityville. So as we say, at the road this what the people may block the road for, you know, and they demonstrate about the dust. Okay, viewers and subscribers, I was shown already said the aisle and sand from Brockdown, whosoever know Trinityville good, from Brockdown to below the station. That's where it stopped. So now is the time for them asphalt it now. You understand my answer? So the asphalt paving that is putting down right now is starting from below the station and I will go to Brockdown. Just hope you understand. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah, man, check out them level here. Check out them level here, viewers and subscribers. How you don't know what do it, you know, up here, so respond to cement and asphalt. And them response up here, so you get what I say? And you know who for team this up on the ground already, you know, Whited and him team, Rasta. And you don't know Shower Pinchers, and you don't know Father Winston. The whole works, every man on the ground, man. I tell you, them a perform a wonderful work. So we say, lift our hat to them for that. Big up on yourself, the presser driver, each and every one that playing the part to make this thing work out. You get what I say? Big up on yourself, man, Whited and him teams. As I say, look on them thing here, viewers. 3 inch and more, 4 inch no less. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah, man, well done. So I want to just continue watch your video, you know. Manners and respect, you know. A lot more for I want to see, you know, because you know we say we are going out with details, you know. So I just continue watch it now. Bless up, you know. And trust me, viewers and subscribers, the citizens are glad for this. Can you know why? Number one, the dust. Yeah man, the dust they have them away, man. Dust have the place away, viewers. If you dust on your place today, by a man you like you never did dust it. You know me I say all the shopkeeper them, why I know they manage it. Remember me tell you cause everything they take off for sell have to wipe. So much time they have to wipe the one thing for the day. You get what I say, viewers? So they're really glad for this. Trinityville people, I'm really glad for it. As you continue watch the video, you can hear the citizens. I'm going to talk to you, viewers. You understand what I said? So just continue watch the video. Bless up. So, viewers, when I now look on the type of work that put down, look on it now, viewers. Just take a good look on it now, viewers. Yeah man, remember me tell you man. Take a look on it. Now look on it, viewers and subscribers. I can see a one side now, you know. Asphalt now. So just continue watch the video because I'm going to asphalt the next side, you know. So you understand me I say, viewers? Yeah man, so just continue watch it because the next side I got asphalt also. Okay? So we got to say well done to Smith and Asphalt Whitehead and his team for performing such a wonderful work in Trinityville. And I would like you to continue doing this work right across. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah man, I would love them to continue do this work right across. So we say well, if you add to them, big up on yourself, the whole team. So continue watching video, viewers and subscribers, and see the work that them put on, the beautiful work that put on in Trinityville by Smith and Asphalt. Trinityville gonna lead again. Woohoo! So viewers and subscribers, as I can see with the right, a big T for that team, Mr. Thompson, right, a film places so the asphalt reach so far, and as you can see it's one side, so the next side I got take on to also, so you just continue watch the video, you know, viewers and subscribers, because we are bringing it forward for you see it, you know. You get what I say, viewers and subscribers, so no matter what day in the world, it's like gonna in Center Mass, Trinityville, Center Mass. You get what I say, viewers? As we done telling already, you know, the development of Center Mass continue, east, west, north, south work been going on. You understand me, viewers? So big up to each and everyone that playing their part by growing this channel from strength to strength, you know. Because remember, zero we are start from our sky at the limit. So viewers, you see this asphalt come out of the furnace, you know, well steamy, you know, viewers. Yeah man, well steamy man, look on him line in here. Look upon them joining here, viewers and subscribers. Take a good look on them joining here. Master class, man. Take a good look, viewers. Whiter than him team, you know. Cement and asphalt, you know. You get what I say? I mean, I tell you this from a long time. If them continue to perform in America, remember me tell you that, man. Time to come, them are going to be the #1 asphalt team in the world. Viewers do not think when I say joining it, continue watch the video. You're going to see joining like I saw it burn, I saw it make. You get what I say? So just continue watch the video because you know we are details, man, you know. So we have to go in the details so we see what taking place on the ground, you know, viewers. You understand? Bless up. So viewers and subscribers, as you all can see, this is the starting of the next side. So as you all can see, viewers, them start the next side now. So we done showing already and telling already this are the two sides. So now them start the next side. So you are going to see the fullness of everything now, viewers. You know what I say? So all you got to do in order to see it, just continue watch the video. Bless up, and remember, ASPHALT paving in Trinityville, St. Thomas. Work in progress. Continue the development of St. Thomas. Bless up. So viewers and subscribers, it's time to hear from the citizens of Trinityville, St. Thomas about this ASPHALT paving and this work that's been performed in Trinityville. Listen up.
Really we appreciate it because those who did kill and maybe if they not did put on the strike, this would not be now. It would do much later on. So we appreciate it and we thank all who have make it possible. And we can walk easy, drive easy and live easy.
Bless you.
Yeah, me like where I go on, of course, my place look nice and good, you know, yeah. Everything good and big, man. Big up to the big man then where I do whatever I do. And give God praise and thanks, you know. Yeah, man, me love how they remember we, you know, say.
Bless
yeah, man, blessed, thanks.
So viewers and subscribers, when you're ready for your journey now, take a look at this journey. Take a close look and good look at this journey, viewers. Tell me if this no masterclass of journey, this viewers. And you only can get them journey from the cement and asphalt team, whiter than in team. So you see me I showing us that Trinityville get a good work performing at Trinityville St. Thomas, viewers. Honestly, we not lie, as you can see it for yourself too. So viewers and subscribers, as you all can see, we bring it to you in Trinityville St. Thomas. Work in progress continue. The development of St. Thomas, you hear it from the citizens also, how they pleased about the work that performing in Trinityville. So we say big up to each and every one that playing the part that growing this channel from strength to strength. I remember we telling us sky is the limit. You get what I say, viewers? So we say if you are new and subscribe to my channel, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Welcome to the family. And if you did leave a like on my video, thank you very much for doing so. If you watch what the ads for me, bless up, man. Thank you very much. And if you did leave a comment, thank you, man. That's where you should get active down in the comment section. Speak your mind there. Okay, it's there for you to speak your mind. So we say, well, see you people in the next video, you know. Safe travel upon the gravel, you know. I'm out. Bless up. So viewers and subscribers, family, so take a look at it now. And remember, speak your mind in the comment section. Remember, it's a continuation thing, so you got to look out for the continuation, okay?